Matthew. I believe this is your Facebook page. Looks like you got a few people that follow you. I don't see a website. I was unable to find one. But I think you service the Appleton area, Appleton, Wisconsin. Plugging in flooring contractor, Appleton, Wisconsin into Google. Ads will appear here first, then the Google Map pack. And then scrolling down, this is the organic ranking. Actually grab this guy. This guy's he services all over. This guy actually had a better website. Even though he's ranked number 2 for that search, he's probably ranked number 1 for a lot of other things. Looking at his website, he's got a fair amount of content. He's got 743 words. I definitely like to have at least 1,000, but I'd probably put 1,500 on your website because this guy has 743. You definitely want to beat your competitors with content. You want to also have keywords within the content organically. You don't want to stuff it, but you want to make sure you have keywords there. Another thing is images, what they are saved as. Open this up. Yeah, this guy, he doesn't have it saved right. You want to have that saved as a keyword. So flooring contractor, Appleton, Wisconsin, or hardwood flooring, Appleton, Wisconsin, or whatever keyword you want to rank for. You'd want to save your images as you can have multiple images and multiple keywords saved within your images. A tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Plugging this guy in to Ahrefs, you'll see he actually has quite a bit of backlinks, 1,850 and 58 referring domains. But you'll notice his DR is 1.4, so he looks like he probably has a bunch of spammy backlinks. And backlinks looks like a lot, but the main number that matters is referring domains. Yeah, you're gonna get a bunch of backlinks, but you want to have as many referring domains as you can. But we can come in here and see what backlinks he has that we like. If we really like one of them, we can go to the website, figure out how to get it, and get it for ourselves. We want to make sure we get ones that are relevant to the flooring or remodeling industry. You don't want fast food linking back to you because that'll not give you any strength. Google's smart and knows what's relevant and knows what's spammy. You want strong backlinks because not all backlinks are the same, and not everything gives you the best. But yeah, you can get backlinks from guest posts, blogs, sponsors, news articles, basically anything that will they can get to link back to you. And you want to make sure it's the page that's linking back to you is relevant. We can come in here and check out his organic keywords. Obviously, his name is going to be the top one he gets most traffic from. But this flooring, Appleton, Wisconsin, he gets the second most traffic from it. He's position number 2, and that's why he gets so many people. It's got a 15 KD, so that that's a little more difficult to rank for, but it can be done. Obviously, we won't want to rank for this because that's his name. No one's going to search, click on you when they're searching for him. So we'd want to come in here and find ones that are location specific, that have a lower KD. Floor source, Appleton, Wisconsin. I'm not sure exactly what that means. I'd have to check that out more, but I'm sure there's a bunch in here we can find. Like Appleton Flooring Stores. It's only 12 KD and only 10 search volume, so yeah, I would stay away from that one. Here, I'm going to type in Appleton here and see what we can find. Make it lots easier. Flooring out, let's see, right here. 12 not hard, but let's see. Carpet, I'm just glancing through here, but we can come in here and we can grab the ones that we like. And we can beat 15, we can beat 20, we can beat these. It just is going to take more work, it's going to take longer, and it's going to take a lot more backlinks to grab them. But it can be done. It's not too hard. It just, the higher the KD, the more difficult it is, the harder it is, the longer it takes to get them. But I'm sure there's there's other ways to find keywords too. We can go check out other competitors. I'm sure this is not all the keywords there are, but generally I'm able to find, several that you can go out and rank for. Next thing is the Google Map Pack. A lot of people just go in here, and that's where they go to their websites or call from there. Biggest thing is if you don't have one, set one up. You don't need a website to set one up. It's free to do. The first thing you want to do is obviously set it up, but then you want to completely set it up. You're 100%. Don't just do parts of it. Get the whole thing completely set up. Then for content for the Google My Business is photos. You want to make sure you get as many photos as you possibly can on your GMB. And then it's citations. So checking out this top guy, he only has 7 citations. Citations, there's thousands of them. It's just directories. You want to make sure you have your Google My Business name with your phone number and your location all exactly right when you put them into your citations. But it's just, or directories, it's just Yelp, Facebook, all those things. You can find a whole bunch of them. We can go check out other competitors, grab the ones that they have. We can search for them on Google. There's a whole bunch of them out there. There's thousands of them. A bunch of them are free. Some you have to pay for, but there's plenty of free ones to go after. And, this guy's only got 7, but we'd want to, get at least 50. We can even get 100. It's not too hard. It's just time consuming, but it's something you can do yourself. But it just takes time to fill them out. But yeah, you're welcome to do what you want with that video, with the tips and the tricks in the video. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a call and or a Zoom or a video call, whatever you want. But just let me know. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.